Hi students, Miss Jarvis here. I wanted to review adding and subtracting fractions. This is because although this was a 5th grade standard, sometimes we tend to forget how to find a common denominator, and we forget some of the helpful strategies for helping us do that. So I wanted to go over that briefly. So if you're given a question like 7/9 plus 5/12, you can see that we don't have a common denominator here. We do need a common denominator to add or subtract fractions. So I'm going to start by using my bobsled to find a good common denominator for these two numbers. A common denominator is also called a least common multiple. Some people even call it a least common denominator. Now, a number that I can think of that goes into both 9 and 12 would be, how about 3? 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 12 4 times. Now, there's no other number other than 1 that will go into 3 and 4. So that's my stopping place. I'm going to make my bubble letter L for my least common multiple. And I'm going to multiply 3 times 3, which is 9, and 9 times 4, which is 36. That tells me that my common denominator, or least common multiple, is going to be 36. Now I can get started. So I have 9 and 12, and I'm going to rewrite 36 as my new common denominator. Now I have to ask myself, how did I get this 9 to turn into a 36? I multiplied by something. Let's see, I think I multiplied by 4. So if I did that to the denominator, I'm going to have to do that to the numerator as well. 7 times 4 is 28. On the other side, to get from 12 to 36, I didn't multiply by 4. I multiplied by 3 because 12 times 3 gave me 36. If I did that to my denominator, I need to do that to my numerator as well. 5 times 3 gives me 15. So now I have common denominators, and I can go ahead and add these fractions. 28 plus 15 Now, 43 over 36 is actually an improper fraction. So I don't want to leave my answer like that. I'm going to ask you to change it into a mixed number. So take your top dog, like I mentioned before, also known as your numerator, and put your top dog in the doghouse. 36 will go outside. 36 goes into 43 one time. And when you subtract, you end up with a remainder of 7. That means your answer is, remember the big wheel, 1 and 7 over 36. Your final answer is 1 and 7 over 36. Great job. So remember, when you're adding and subtracting fractions, you'll first find a common denominator. That's going to be your least common multiple. You can do that by using the bobsled.